Stop by and take a look at the 2018 370Z. With its richly crafted, driver-obsessed cockpit and the world's first synchro-rev match manual transmission, the lower, wider, lighter Nissan Z is in a class all its own. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, cruise control, multifunction display. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.